So before we can get started programming in Python, we got to make sure that we have the latest version of Python installed on our computer. Now, if we're on a Linux-based system and we're going through and installing it on it, the process is just a little bit different, and I will have a video on how to do that as well. But right now I'm on a Mac, and so what I'm going to do is we're going to go up here to Downloads, and then you can see that it automatically figures out that I'm on a Mac, and it gives me the download here. Now you can also do this on Linux this way, but Linux is actually a little easier to do. So we just tell it to open with the installer, click OK, and it'll walk you through the install. Now, once you get Python installed, you're going to have Python running on your computer, and you're also going to have idle, which is a integrated development environment that they give you with Python to be able to go through and do some basic programming and stuff. We're not going to be using idle in this video series because idle is pretty basic, and the editing processes and stuff are not nearly as nice as what you get in other IDEs like Visual Studio Code. So we're going to be we'll have another video on how to actually download and install that. But the primary thing is that we get Python 3 installed on the computer. Now, when we run the command, we're actually going to be running Python 3. So that is something that we're going to have to go through and make sure that we're doing that when we're executing our code. But the download and installation of Python is pretty simple, and that really literally is all there is to it.